Now that your Ninja CRISPi DualZone is all set up, let's take a closer look at the control panel. The CRISPi DualZone has two completely independent cooking zones, Zone 1 on the left and Zone 2 on the right. Each zone has its own display, showing the selected function, temperature, and time. You control each zone separately, which means you can cook two completely different things at the exact same time. First up, match cook. This is your go-to when you want to make a double batch of the same thing. Set your cooking function, temperature, and time on Zone 1. Then just press Match Cook, and Zone 2 automatically mirrors those exact settings. Both zones start together, both cook together. Think air fry at 47 minutes across both containers. That's double the food done all at once, perfect for feeding a crowd. Now for Smart Finish, the feature that makes DualZone technology truly magic. Let's say you want to air fry chicken strips in 15 minutes and roast beef for 1 hour. Set each zone to its own function and time, then press Smart Finish. The CRISPi DualZone intelligently staggers the start times, so both dishes finish cooking at the exact same moment. Mains and sides, done together every time. No more cold sides waiting for the main to finish. Need just a little more time? The +1 minute button is your best friend. Press it once to add a minute to your cook. Press it again to add more. It works mid-cook without interrupting anything, so you can dial in that perfect crispiness without starting over. And finally, the flip timer. For foods that cook better when turned halfway through, like wings, fries, or chicken tenders, the CRISPi DualZone will alert you right at the halfway point, so you never forget to flip. Just open the zone, turn your food, reinsert the glass container, and you're on the home stretch. Between two independent zones, Match Cook, Smart Finish, the +1 minute button, and the flip timer, the CRISPi DualZone gives you total control over every cook. For more tips and chef-inspired recipes, check out the recipe book that came with your unit, or visit ninjakitchen.com. Happy cooking!